Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to plant up a mini greenhouse because it's rainy and pretty bummy in Chicago today. Okay, so we have this greenhouse thing, I kind of ripped it already, that we got from Walmart. And we're just gonna follow the instructions on here. Today we're gonna plant up some tomatoes, some lettuce, some sweet pepper, some dill, and some spinach. It says, expand the peat pellets by gradually adding approximately 1/8 cup of water per pellet, or approximately 10.5 cups to expand the entire package. Add more water as needed. Gently pull back the netting, fluff the surface of the peat, add 2 to 3 seeds per pellet, and then cover lightly. Okay, so we're gonna do just that. So I'm guessing that this goes over the top of it once it's planted to kind of create a greenhouse effect. We just poured water over them and they are soaking up the water. Let's pour a little bit more. They're supposed to get to like 1 inch thick. And then when they're raised up, then you're supposed to pour off the excess water. See how they're raising up there? Whoa. Then we're supposed to pull back this netting and fluff it with a fork and then plant the seeds. I think it's just on the top. Okay, now we have all the little sacks opened up. They soaked up all the water. And now we're gonna fluff it with a fork, just the top of it. Okay, so we had to decide how we were gonna do this. And because we have 5 packs and there's 12 columns, I think we're gonna do 4 veggies down here, so they'll each get 3 columns, and then we're going to put the dill in this last row in the back here. So let's get started. Okay, we're starting with the spinach, and we need to do 2 to 3 per pellet, so I'm hoping we have enough. All right, we got 2 in there. Now we're going to cover it. Okay, now we're going to put 2 in there. Maybe separate them a little bit. So putting them so close together. There you go. Okay, we're gonna do this for the rest. We decided to put 3 in each pod because there was enough seeds. So we're gonna put the label at the top of the column so we know which veggie is which. Now let's move on to the dill. Okay, we're just gonna keep on seeding it up and covering them, and we'll show you what we got when we're done. Dill seeds. All right, so we have spinach, sweet pepper, tomato, lettuce, and this back row is dill. Now we're gonna read the instructions and see what we're supposed to do next. I think we're supposed to water and cover it. We'll see. So after we sow 2 to 3 seeds per pellet, we're supposed to cover it lightly with peat, which we did, and then we're supposed to place the dome on the tray and keep it in a warm location away from direct sunlight. So we're gonna cover it. Go ahead, put the cover on it. Since it already has some moisture in it from when we watered the peat, it doesn't need any more. I don't know if this is supposed to, no, I don't think it's supposed to snap down. Cool. All right, so we're gonna place it in a warm, bright window, and we will check on them periodically. Day number 2. Of course, none yet, but we just got done misting. So they are in this pretty bright window, but indirect light. Okay, we're at day 3. And we have a couple seedlings. We have a spinach and a bunch of lettuce popping out there. Yay! No sweet peppers, no dill, and no tomato yet. Okay, so after you see sprouts, you're supposed to crack this open here and let it breathe. Hold on one second. Okay, look at our spinach is doing great. Look at that, very good. We don't have any sweet peppers, no dill, like 3, tomatoes are coming up. And then the lettuce is like, ba-bam! They got some nice growth on them. All right, guys, we are on day number 6, and this spinach is growing out of control. Dill sprouted out of nowhere overnight, and they're pretty tall. We have more tomatoes, and this lettuce is on point. So far, we don't have any sweet peppers. I think I might see one like right there. See it? Oh, right there. So that's where we're at right now. We have to wait for the sweet peppers to sprout. I'm gonna give it a few more days, and then we're gonna get these guys repotted in, or actually we're gonna keep the tray off and place it in direct sunlight for a few more days, and then get to repotting them. All right, so we have our spinach over here. This is the sweet pepper, which is finally starting to sprout. Took a little longer than the rest of them. Then we have our tomatoes, and this is the lettuce, and then in this back row is the dill. So I just went through just now, and I totally forgot to record, so I apologize. But let's see if I can kind of come in here, because we kind of sprinkled, the lettuce seeds are so tiny that we just sprinkled them in here. And what I did was pinch back all of the weak sprouts. So this is everything that I took out. And I know it's kind of painful to do that, but if you give each little pod more room to breathe, they'll grow bigger and quicker. So like, okay, this one still has quite a bit in here. You only want like 2 to 3 sprouts per pod. So it's kind of hard to see, but see this one in here? It has like 5 or 6. You want to just take back and just pinch them out, just like that. I was using my scissors on the other ones because I can get the scissors in there to cut, but these are so delicate that you could literally just pinch and pull. So now this one has like 3 in there, and you want to try to keep the best ones, but they were all really good, so I just kind of trimmed them back halfway. And then they won't grow back if you cut them down to the bud. Oh, here's a few. There's still too many in here. Let's see. Oh no, they're combined with other pods. They're growing kind of crazy, so it's hard to see. And now our grow pots are coming today. So I think I'm going to repot up these ones that are kind of growing crazy here. And I'll make sure I record that when I do. Okay, so today I got in the mail these grow pots. They are fabric 5-gallon container grow pots. And obviously they're more eco-friendly because they're not plastic. I'm gonna try them out for the first time. I got these from Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. This is what they look like. And once they're filled with soil, they'll kind of round out a little bit better here. And I will get these potted up within the next week or so. They also came with these cute little markers, so you can mark what it is, and they're different colors. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 there. Cute. So I am on my way to Home Depot. We have 5 different seedlings growing in our seed pod tray. which I've been showing you in this video. It's been like a week and a half, so sorry if I'm not picking up where I left off. Then I also have pumpkins, which I think we only have 2 left because I think I might have killed them. I don't know. And then I also have a potato from our potato experiment that seems to be growing a pretty decent stalk. So we planted it up in a grow bag, and I ordered those grow bags that I showed you. So we're going to get them planted up today. So first Home Depot for soil. Oh, and I need to get those metal stick thingies. Listen, guys, I don't garden. This is really my first time actually trying to garden and like harvest vegetables. So okay, so I have 4 bags of potting mix. I bought this organic potato. They're supposed to be sweet potatoes, like mini ones. Then I got some organics romaine lettuce. I got 2 of these. And then I also got, what is that? Organics husky cherry red tomatoes. I think I got 2 of those as well. So I'm gonna add those to my seedling pods. Okay, so as I said, we have some romaine leaf lettuce here, along with some cherry red baby tomatoes. I actually got green bell peppers, which I forgot about. And then I think I got red sweet peppers, bell peppers. So I got peppers, lettuce, and cherry tomatoes. And that is going to combine with these seedlings. So we have lettuce, tomato, those are big tomatoes, California Wonder sweet peppers, and then, oh, we do have spinach. I thought we had spinach. And then I have some dill back here. I'm not sure how well these are gonna take, but we will see how they do. That's why I got some extras as kind of like reinforcements here. So we're gonna get those potted up. Okay, so we got them all planted up. So this is my potato, which is just a single potato, and I have it planted down in there. So we're gonna see what that does. I'm not sure what that's gonna do. This is the lettuce that I got. This is romaine. And then I also planted the seedlings around the sides of these grow bags. I'm gonna link these grow bags, these felt ones and these bigger 10-gallon plastic ones in the description below. And then these are the organic red bell sweet peppers in the center. And these are some other, sorry the light's crazy guys. These are some other seedlings that I was growing in the pods around them. They're also like a mix of green and red peppers. And then these are organic green bell sweet peppers in the center. And then the same thing, I put the rest of them around there. So I'm not sure, hopefully they have enough room in there. This one has, it's hard to see them, there's seedlings back there. This is the dill. And we were growing dill not to eat, but just for, to collect caterpillars because the kids like caterpillars, and we morphed one into a butterfly a couple years ago, so that was fun. So they love to eat dill, so we were just gonna grow some dill here. Hopefully it'll take. If it doesn't, I also added some lemon coral sedum to this planter. This will kind of fall over and kind of get and cover the ground. And then this is an ivy, which I'm hoping to get to climb up the fence. I kind of gave it my sphagnum moss pole for right now, just so it had something to grab onto. And then this is a tomato, organic tomato plant in here with some, it's a dud, with some seedlings from my pods around it. And I know that tomatoes probably need more space than that, so I'm gonna see how they do as we go. And then this little one here is, oh, sorry guys, there we go, husky cherry red tomatoes. Again, I don't like tomatoes, the kids, well, Mia does, so I'll probably put some in the spaghetti, make my own spaghetti sauce. And then this is spinach. Those seedlings don't look like they're doing that great, but I just watered it, so maybe that's why. But anyway, so that's it. That's our little garden. I'm excited about it. Maybe I'll do some updates on how they're growing on Instagram. So make sure you follow my Instagram account for some more updates. Thanks guys for joining me in this video over quite a bit of time. I thought it'd be kind of cool to record some videos of a progress starting our little garden area. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you think I'm messing up vegetables, let me know below. If you think I did a good job, let me know below. Again, we don't really plant stuff, so we'll see how it goes. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more fun houseplant, garden, all things planty videos. Thanks guys. Have a good one.